Feeling strapped for cash all the time? I bet your stomach knows why. He looks like me after work every night, which is a habit many of us need to break so we don't break the bank. Hey guys, I'm Sean Dowling for Buzz60. A study from SunTrust Bank says many American households earning $75,000 or more a year aren't saving as much as they should and live paycheck to paycheck because they dine out too much. Nearly a third of these households admit they aren't reaching their savings goals, and 44% say spending big on lifestyle expenses like dining out and entertainment does a number on their bank account. And for millennials with the same income, that number jumps to 71% who blame their slim pockets on dining out. Given this past weekend in Vegas, I know exactly why I'm broke this month, but it was worth every penny. And it's good news for the restaurant industry, given the American Enterprise Institute's recent findings, showing Americans spend more at restaurants than grocery stores. And a Wall Street Journal report adds, because we're spending so much dining out, restaurant owners are able to hire more staff. So if you're ever questioning why you're broke, check your restaurant receipt or your Instagram account. Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.